Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do the first two problems on our review. So the first question says the measure of arc CE is 48. So we're talking about this blue arc right here. CE is 48 degrees. We need to find the measure of ACE. That's this angle. Well, when I look at this, I see a couple of things. I know this arc is 48, and this is an inscribed angle. So I know that's half the intercepted arc. So that's going to be 24 degrees. I also see that I have a diameter, and there's an inscribed angle right here. The intercepted arc is ABC. So I know that's 180 degrees. So my inscribed angle must be half that. So I have a 90-degree angle. So if I have a 90-degree angle here, then these two have to add up to 90, because 90 plus 90 gives you 180. So I'm going to subtract 24 from 90. You can also add them all together and set them equal to 180 if you prefer. So I get 66. All right, so the measure of angle ACE equals 66 degrees. All right, so number two. Number two says AB equals BC. So we're talking about these segments right here. They're congruent. The measure of BCD, right here, is what we're trying to find. So if I know that these two are congruent, and I also know what this angle is because it's inscribed, you can see that right here, it's inscribed. And again, we have that diameter with a semicircle. So this has to be a right angle. That means I have an isosceles right triangle. Whenever I have an isosceles right triangle, that means that these angles have to be the same. The angle at A and C. So I know they're each 45. Now, if you weren't sure, then you would just subtract 180 minus 90. So I know that the remaining two angles have to be 90 degrees. And if they're the same, then I just divide that by 2. So they're each 45. So the measure of BCD is 45 degrees. All right, so that's 1 and 2. Check out the next video if you'd like to see 3 and 4.